So we're unboxing Othy's new tablet, and I think Caleb is helping Othy to unbox it. So let's see what's going to be inside. And which tablet is that?
I know it. It's definitely a computer tablet. That's half computer and half tablet. It's definitely one of those.
Why do you think you know it?
Because we seen it at the place we found it at, and I was there, so I seen it.
Oh.
See, it even does it. It even is there on there. Look, see, I told you.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I'm super excited to get my new tablet unboxed. I'm gonna put.
So what games are you going to play?
I'm gonna put Sprunky on Bluey.
What was Plunky?
Sprunky is a game of musical characters. When you put them on the screen, they make different sounds.
Okay, so apart from Plunky, what are you going to play on it again?
Bluey.
Oh, there it comes.
Bluey.
Oh.
I told you. There's something.
That is very nice.
There's something in this one.
Oh. Are they 2 or 1?
There's only
Are they
one.
2 or 1?
There's one. This is just the cover.
Is it just cover?
Yes.
Oh. That's got cover.
Yes. The keyboard is a part of the cover.
Yeah. Caleb is carefully looking for the place where the seal is. There's been sellotape. He's gonna get it. He's gently taking the scissors to cut and opening that part. You know how you are destroying the pack. I think you are not going to return it.
Yeah.
You're not going to return it again.
Yeah, we're gonna put the cardboard in there.
So Othy is going to put Bluey and what?
And Sprunky.
And Sprunky. So it's coming. It's coming. Let's see how it goes.
It's gonna look.
Unboxing. What's the name of the tablet? It's Honor Pad 9.
Honor Pad 9.
Yeah, Honor Pad 9.
Very hard.
It's very hard, yeah. They've sealed it very well. So you are destroying the pack, and I think you're not going to return it if you find problem. So, oh,
I told you.
Can you handle it for Kate? Can you handle it for Othy for the first time? No, I think you don't need to use the scissors on that one. Ooh.
I told you.
That's not a tablet. It's not. It's not. April Fool.
It's not April Fool, Daddy.
So where's the tablet?
The tablet's in this one.
Oh. I thought that one was a tablet. Put it on the table. It was keyboard. I thought that one was a tablet.
Yeah, this tablet is a keyboard tablet.
Okay, so that one was a keyboard. Okay.
Yeah, because this tablet is one of those that has the keyboard.
Oh. So you're going to type?
Yeah.
You're going to learn how to type?
I know how to type.
You do know how to type?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Wait, what's this?
I think it's the...
Sensor.
Yeah, no, that's camera.
Camera?
Yeah, that's got camera.
Whoa. Amazing.
Yeah.
Mine is kind of like Caleb's. But
Oh, so Caleb is putting it in the
Yeah.
cover. Oh,
it's in place. But what are these?
as a pack. Oh, we got it.
I think this is a charger piece.
Hmm.
What do you think? Oh, I was right. It's a charger.
Oh, you got it. Has it got a good charger, Type C charger, isn't it?
Yes.
So
Is that a good charger? Is that a good charger? I think it is a good type.
who's going to put it on? Othy or Caleb?
Me.
Yay!
Hey, I wanted to put it on.
No, it's already charged. See what's coming.
Oh, this must be mine.
Wait.
How do I get this thing out?
You do that later, okay?
Okay. Wow.
Oh, it's coming. So let's set the language.
Go the other side.
It's coming. Caleb is doing your settings for you. Oh, you can put your SIM.
Sim?
Yeah.
Should we skip it for now?
Say it again.
Should we skip it for now?
Yeah, I've got a SIM for you.
What's a sim?
Yeah, I've got a SIM that we can use. And you can make a call. Oh.
Whoa. Caleb, can I do it? I want
Wait.
to.
Do
No,
you know the Wi-Fi password?
No, Caleb needs to do it for you.
Why? What?
Do you, Caleb know the password?
I know the Wi-Fi password. Oh, you can help me to type it out.
No. Can you do that?
Yeah, I know.
Just
Press 4, the keyboard.
yeah. Othy is typing for the first time.
Where is it?
There it is.
4.
So they are setting
Or
password.
you can use it here. 4. And go to alphabet. M.
Are you almost done? Or you got it wrong?
You did not got it wrong. Literally, my brother is the smartest one, I think, in the family. That's what I think. But he's the smart, but I am the speedy.
Oh. So we've got it's connected.
Oh, it's good. What?
Yay!
Am I gonna have my own Siri?
This one is not supported by Siri.
Oh, so I don't get a Siri.
You can get Hey Google.
Oh, I can have a Hey Google.
Yeah.
So I'll have a Google.
So when you say Hey Google, what are you going to ask?
I'm gonna ask a lot of questions.
Like what?
Like, what's 7 plus 100? And I might say also, hey Google, what's 1 million plus 1? Also, I might say, what's 2 million plus 3?
Okay, so let's focus. And we are setting up the tablet. Just want to see the interface for the first time. I said, I'm a child. Yeah.
Wow.
You got it. And then sign in with your child's account.
So do you know your account?
We don't have Gmail account for Othy. I think we need to create one for him.
Oh.
I think I know how to type an account. I can type the name of the account, Daddy.
Let's go.
Do you know your first name?
My first name.
Yeah.
Otino.
So spell it. What's the name? Let me see.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Otnell.
Otnell.
So it's
And a U.
It's
Mm.
and
Eh?
it and it and
Yeah, you need to learn how to spell your name.
yeah. Need to get it right.
Should we put both?
Yeah, both. Yeah.
All right.
So.
Oh. B.
Abenyakon.
Do you know how to spell it?
What? I don't know with the year. Where is the year?
You know, you don't go to the year yet.
So go ahead, Caleb.
Oh. B. In. Is
Yeah.
it E?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And Ch.
Oh.
You got it.
Even I got it wrong.
Yeah. And then space. NYA. Okay. Oh.
So is this the password or just the name of my account?
We're getting you a Gmail account. What's your date of birth? Go and help Caleb to get it.
What's your date of birth?
2019, 2022.
Hey!
You sure?
You don't know your date of birth. You've forgotten.
What do you mean?
Your date of birth. When were you born? I think he's going to ask mommy.
17th, 19.
Hey,
sure?
you got it wrong.
What do you mean?
So
You
go
said
ahead.
it's right.
Go ahead. Yeah, I think it's right.
Oh.
You need to, yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you want to choose?
Google.
You have to sign it later.
Yeah. So that's the interface of the unboxing. It's good. It's nice.
Oh, look. Hey, Google.
Oh, I want to do Hey Google.
Wait. Say.
Hey Google, what's 100 plus 1?
The answer is 101.
Wow! So that's enough. Wow. So that's how it's like to have a Google.
So that's it. So what are you going to use for?
I'm
Tell me 3 things that you will be using your tablets for.
going to use it for some homework.
Okay. And what else?
Next to play some games.
And what else?
And last, watch some videos.
So do you like it?
Yeah, I love
So what
it.
do you say, mommy and daddy?
Thank you, Mummy and Daddy.
Okay, you are welcome. How do you see it?
I see it amazing.
No, I can call you using the phone. I don't have to call you.
Okay, I'm going to get a SIM for you.
A sim? What's a sim?
As a-
Use to call
Use it to cool.
Yeah.
people with it.